you're struggling at cross, this is the video for you. I'll tell you how to do the cross in 8 moves or less. Next tip is solving on the bottom and ignoring the center pieces, which means by ignoring the green, so even if it doesn't match, you can put it down and put it opposite color of it or a nearby color. And so I'm going to insert this. And you see that these two don't even match at all. So if I do this, it doesn't match. But if I put red instead, by moving D2, then I can insert red, like that. Then I can put it away. Then it's gonna match. That's what I mean. You should predict that. And it's pretty simple to know that red is opposite of orange, so you can insert orange always on the vertical of red or horizontal. Then the last one is blue, so if everything's correct, so this one should be too. And then you insert blue. This is the next tip. So if the edge is like here and you have to insert it here, the best thing you should do is just moving the whole cross like this. 1, 2. Then you can insert it. Then you can align the cross again. This way you don't have to like move the piece out and insert it. This is the 3-move insert. So let's start. So usually you would move one piece like that, but you also notice that you put the piece from here to the bottom. This way you can understand that once you push the green down, you also push the other one. So you can use one piece to push the other one down. And you push this one down, then you can push this one. Same 3-move insert, except that the piece is not here where it needs to be. So you just simply move it to the spot it needs to be, then you can insert it in like that. If you get this case, you should do a 4-move insert. So you move it to the right or to the left, then move the side it's on, and it's on left, so you should move left. If it's on right, you should move right. So then you move that side, then you insert it, then you move blue back to fix the cross. The same case on the right side. Next tip is to watch example solves. Example solves will show you techniques that you've never seen before or might have seen and show you how to use it better. So I'm going to do an example solve. So you see that you can insert red, but you're moving blue too. You see that made a wave. Then you can insert blue, then you can insert red. Then you see orange is out, and you can just push it to the correct spot and insert it. Next tip is to practice the cross a lot every day. This way you can get practice of every single case you possibly get in similar cases. So you can do the cross simply. In this case, you can do a similar thing like a 3-move insert, except you're just moving this out. Then you can push this away, so you can align it. Then you can push these two. Then you see that this is the only one left, so you can do D2, then put it in, then D2 again, so you can align the cross.